In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then you need to tap on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. And tap on all of your photos you wish to add. If you can't find them here, select Folders, look for your photos here, and click on the chosen one to add it. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!